Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing another daily dash as usual. We're driving to the gym. Hopefully we're going to get an order on the way. I've been sitting in my car for the last couple minutes. I've watched a interview with Tony Xu. I would have said Zhu, but I guess it's Xu, X-U. He is the CEO of Doordash. Very interesting interview. And it seems like, from what I got from it, it just seems like all of the most successful entrepreneurs, they all came from a long, extensive background of entrepreneur stuff. Like, for example, I feel like I've always been an entrepreneur. I've always been looking for extra ways to make money, and like I did like lemonade stands when I was a kid and all that. So real quick, let me clean this lens. And okay, so what made me even think about watching this interview was I see a lot of negative comments about this guy and how he doesn't care about his dashers and like how he's just all about money. And man, I just think that's such a toxic way of thinking. Whenever it's just like, it seems like people who have no entrepreneur spirit always think of people who are like business owners and entrepreneurs as evil. And it's not that way. It's just so crazy that people are so blind to jump to conclusions like, oh, this guy only cares about his bank account. I mean, I'm obviously a business owner, and I always am going to look at both sides of the equation, and I think we have an opportunity to make money whenever we want. I'm driving to the gym right now, and I'm going to make some money on the way there and on the way back. I'm not complaining at all. I'm totally happy with that. The fact that I even have an opportunity to do that. And I know the comments are going to come in and say Tanner's a corporate shill and blah, blah, blah. But just so you know, I was emailing Grubhub earlier, and hopefully I will be on Grubhub's platform as well. So I'm definitely not a corporate shill for you guys who think that DoorDash pays me to say good things about them. I just like to look on both sides of the equation. And yes, I am dashing in a cutoff shirt today. It's a tank top because it's 93 degrees right now. It's ridiculous in Vegas. And at this point, when it is this hot, I am not wearing a dress shirt or anything to do DoorDash. I'm sorry. I'm just not going to do it, for those of you who get mad that I don't wear nice clothes when I'm dashing. But anyways, so I just wanted to kind of touch on that because I see it all the time, and Tony Xu is like evil and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, corporate shill today. Yes, I know, whatever. We're on the way to the gym and hopefully going to get some gains. And make sure you guys are drinking your water today. Water is the one most important thing that you guys should be just get like the biggest. If I was a DoorDash driver and I was seriously dashing and I was like driving around all day long, I would make it a goal to at least have like a half-gallon little water container and drink the whole thing. Oh, would you look at that? That's literally perfectly on the way. It doesn't go out of the way even a tiny bit. And we're gonna make $7 on the way to the gym. All I gotta do is stop at Capriotti's, and we're going straight west anyways. See, that's why I'm appreciative of DoorDash, because like now I'm gonna make $7 to drive to the gym, and I'm gonna make probably like $7 to $10 to drive back from the gym too. It's always easier to get orders on the way back from the gym because I personally live in the middle of nowhere kinda, so there's no restaurants around me, so it's harder for me to get an order by my house. But when I'm at the gym, there's a whole bunch of restaurants that are like surrounding the gym, so it's usually pretty easy to be picky and get an order that goes exactly straight back, you know? So anyways, all right, be right back after we pick up this Capriotti's order. By the way, just throwing this out there, if anyone knows how to get in contact with Tony Xu, just let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to interview that guy. That would be super sweet. Apparently the order is actually not going to be ready for another 10 minutes. Ugh, I hate that. I hate when the orders are like too far behind and you get there and you still got to wait like 10 minutes. But they've mostly solved that problem. It used to be pretty bad. Like, you would have to sit there for like usually 15 or 20 minutes. Do you guys hear this? Someone's car alarm is just going off. Anyway, so if you guys haven't, just real quick, shout out to my footwear company. If you guys haven't yet, check out offaxisacrobatics.com. Look at that. Look at that. We literally, I swear to God, I am driving this that way. Yeah. I'm driving that road, which is Silverado Ranch, on the way to my gym. I don't even care that this order is only $5 because it's exactly on the road that I was driving anyways to the gym. So, yeah, anyway, so if you guys haven't yet, check out offaxisacrobatics.com. That's my footwear company. We make awesome shoes, clothes, hats. We got hats now. Use discount code OFFAXISTANNER for 30% off. Get yourself some awesome acrobatics gear. So real quick, for anyone out there who's an entrepreneur who is like not sure how to start a business and how to get stuff going, I just want to introduce you guys to this thing called Alibaba. And a lot of people are like, how do you not know about Alibaba? Everyone knows about Alibaba. No, not everyone knows about Alibaba. I tell people all the time about what Alibaba is. So, if you guys don't know what Alibaba, it's basically like Amazon, but you're buying directly from manufacturers. And if you guys are interested in starting your own brand, putting your logo on stuff, I typically don't use it, but it is a very easy way, like, to make some t-shirts or maybe make some like bottles or whatever you want to do. Like, it's pretty simple, and it keeps the cost down pretty low. So if you guys are interested in starting your own company, just go to Alibaba.com. They're not paying me for this. I'm just saying, if you guys, because a lot of people don't know where to start, Alibaba would be a great place to start. And I also tell people, website, just make a website, just get it going. That's another good way to start. All right, and for websites, I use GoDaddy. So there you go. Just got both orders picked up. Man, this might be the most convenient casual dash that we've done of all time, because both restaurants were on Silverado Ranch, which is the street that I'm taking about 5 miles east to get to my gym, and both are dropping off on Silverado Ranch. The only problem I have with this order is if there's an address that's on Silverado Ranch, it means it's an apartment complex. We don't like apartment complexes, but I'll deal with it because they're totally on the way and I don't have to spend any extra miles on my car, and that's what's most important to me. I am literally sweating though because it is so damn hot today. Like, this is ridiculous. One order down, one more to go, and then we are on the way to the gym. All right, real quick, gonna address the people who are gonna call me a corporate shill, because I know it's coming. I delete these comments all the time. So I just want to address people that complain about their situations and like complain someone's not paying you enough and complain about so many things. No one should complain, okay? Everyone has their own choices. Maybe not everyone. 99% of the population has their own choices to make whatever kind of career you want. You can do whatever you want. So one of the worst things that people do, and it's very consistent, is people get into a position where they just work for one place. You know, you find one stream of income and you start doing it, and then a couple months later you're not happy anymore, and then you start to complain that this company's not paying you enough, aka Declinenow. You know, you always have opportunities that are out there. You just have to go and look for them. You have to get out and create more opportunities for yourself. The moment you become stuck in, you're gonna get stranded in the mud. You're gonna be standing there and you're just gonna sink deeper and deeper and deeper, and then you might just sink in that mud. But someone like me, I'm not gonna ever get stuck in the mud. I'm always looking for new opportunities. I'm always creating new sources of income. This year I had 8 different sources of income. So, and this year was the year that in 2020, my main source of income crashed and I didn't have it anymore, which was a stunt show. So just keep looking for different ways of making money. Keep going out there and like go on Craigslist every once in a while. Look for different opportunities. Apply to different gig companies. Start a YouTube channel. Try to create some sort of passive income. These are things that are so important in life. And the more streams of income you have, especially if some of them are passive, the easier life is going to be. And I mean, I feel like I'm a perfect example. I started about 5 years ago in my journey of entrepreneurship, and I've just been starting businesses and different streams of income left and right. And now it's to the point where I can just kind of like chill and drive to the gym and film a YouTube video, do a couple Doordash orders, go home, respond and answer all the emails. It does not take me, I wouldn't say I have a 4-hour work week yet. I think I have like a 4-hour work day on a consistent basis, but everything gets easier. The more you're out there looking for different streams of income and out there trying to better yourself and make your life easier, it just gets easier and easier and easier. Maybe it's going to be harder at first because you're kind of like taking on, maybe it's more debt if you're starting a business, or more stress because you're working a little bit more, but it gets easier. It always does, as long as you're not stuck in the mud. Anyways, all right, that's all I got for you guys. Not for this video, but we're pulling up to, what's this called? The Milan Apartment Townhouse. Don't need a gate code, but I am gonna find the place. Gate code, they did me a gate code. They did not give me directions. Building 68. I hate apartment complexes. Building 68, back left. We are, where are we at? Oh, it's literally this first building on the left. So that's why you always look at the map and make sure you know where you're going. Plan ahead. Don't just like drive in, you're like, oh crap, where's the building at? All right, look at that. 13, oh wow, wait, never mind, we got another order, but it's not good. I don't want that order, it goes past the gym. And I don't really want another order until I'm done with the gym. Look at that, $13 that I made to drive to the gym. I always knew there'd be a way that I would get paid. I could figure out a way to get paid to drive to the gym. I'm getting paid, just so you know. Oh God, another one, $7 for 1 mile. Oh, I have to do it because it's too good. All right, last order of the day, and then I'm going to the gym for reals though. Okay, $7 for McDonald's. McDonald's isn't so bad. Oh, there's a guy mopping on a bird scooter. I love those scooters. Okay, be right back when I figure out what else I want to talk about for today. The problem with McDonald's orders, that line is so insanely long. And damn, my camera's super, super hot. Okay, well, I guess we're going inside because I'm not waiting in that super gigantic line. Just picked up the McDonald's order, and it's funny because I didn't think this was possible, but I guess I'm not surprised. So actually, as I was picking up the McDonald's order, someone ran over from the gas station to say what's up to me. Shout out John, who's a Doordash driver. So I'm at the gas station and I was like, yo, I'll put you in the video. And then I went to film with my camera, but it said, camera is too hot, temporary, disabled. Please try again later when the camera cools down. I was like, oh, I'm so sorry, but shout out John. Thanks for watching the channel. Anyway, so we got the McDonald's order. My camera is still insanely hot, so I'm gonna put it back down. Like, it literally is hurting to hold. And I can't put it on the dash because like, it's like baking in the sun there. So this is what we're gonna be dealing with this summer. Thanks, Vegas. Check this order out. That would have been convenient to get in about 30 minutes after I'm finished working out, because it goes from the gym basically back towards my house. But right now, I gotta get to the gym. It's just been taking too long for me to get to the gym, so didn't plan on doing 3 orders on the way. Oh my God, I gotta log out of DoorDash. They're giving me too many good orders that I almost want to take. But seriously, gotta get some workout and stuff done. So anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider smashing the like button and subscribing, of course. And if you guys haven't yet, check out offaxisacrobatics.com. That's my footwear company. Use the discount code offaxistanner for 30% off. I'm going the wrong direction, so I gotta turn around. See you guys in the next one. Peace.